how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to yet another unboxing. Today this is going to be kind of a special unboxing for one item at least. The others don't really matter right now, at least. So before I start blabbering too much, let's open the box, shall we? One side done. Jeez, this is some stubborn packaging. Okay, let's go the non-impressive part first. Here are, I believe, 100 3M adhesive cable straps. These can attach to the desk over here, you know, underneath it, on top of it, even on the wall over here. My main use is going to be for this weather station right here, as well as the antenna up there. I'm going to route them along the wall neatly so that the cables don't dangle like that. Right back there too. Okay, so now that that's over, I'll probably maybe set up a time lapse of those. Let's go to the impressive part now. Might as well set this on the ground for now since it's not much use. Well, let's pan over to the Nest Cam Indoor Edition. So my older camera, the Amcrest camera's down there somewhere, you can probably see it. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with If This and That or Alexa. You know, Amazon Alexa. Oops. Stop.
I can't find that skill. To find skills, go to the skills section of the Alexa app.
Okay, forget about that. Kind of saw that coming, but this one does work with Nest, of course, which is a Google service. Works with all other Nest products, as well as If This Then That and Amazon Alexa. God dang it, it heard me. Stop. There we go. Okay, without further ado, let's crack open the packaging and see what we're dealing with. Alright, plastic is off. Slide off the cover. There we go. Now let's... Oh yes, of course, it's taped down. I guess that's how it works. It should just slide right off. There we go. This thing is smaller than I thought. It's also... That was my fault, but... Anyways, here's what we're dealing with. This is pretty cool. Backside of it, this looks to be the desk or tabletop mount. I will be mounting it up on the wall, more than likely, since... One, I don't have any more room on my desk, really. And also, two, I want to have more in the field of view. Let's take the camera out. Let's get into the box a little bit more. There's another Nest logo. Underneath we have the very long USB cable, white surprisingly. One would think it would be black since the camera's black, but oh well. Here's an adapter that it comes with. Assuming the cable's long enough, I can just run it down and then plug it into the surge protector back there, which actually already has a USB port. Two of them, as a matter of fact. Take that off and boom. There's the wall mount I was looking for. Screws aren't really packaged though, so that's a shame. Should focus it. There's how it works, basically. I'm not going to show me screwing it in since I am recording with my Galaxy S8 Plus. Other than that, we're done with everything already. See what's in this, though. Alright, here's a getting started pamphlet. You know, this is a Nest promotional letter by the looks of it. And of course the warranty. So I'm guessing that these are basically the instructions right here. Also in the app too. Of course I won't be showing the setup of that either because I am recording on my phone. That's pretty much it. That's cool too. Looks like we're all set and ready to go. So it's time for setup. See you guys there. This is another super late update video that I'm creating for the indoor Nest Cam as well as the clips that I have mounted to the wall all the way down there. So today is September 6th. I think I unboxed this thing sometime in early June. Yeah, I'm filming this a day after I created the update video for the LaMetric time. As you guys see, it's working perfectly now. Since I forgot that I actually was making a part 2, an update to my Nest Cam indoor unboxing video. So here it is up on the wall. I have a magnetic plate screwed in with 3 screws, and this resides right on it. There's a micro USB cable that sneaks right through the bottom of the magnet, and it wraps around the base of the camera. So that's for easy cable management. Speaking of cable management, my clips, they clip down on the wire so that nothing moves unless the clip was to miraculously peel off the wall. Some of them have though, and my air quality is starting to deteriorate according to the Aware. But I just have it plugged in through USB to my 8-port surge protector with 2 USB charging ports. So nothing special. This thing has been working like a charm the last 3 months. I currently have the 10-day Nest Aware subscription, so I get to see 10 days back in history of what this thing has recorded when I'm gone, since I'm using Home Assist too. So since I'm home right now, this isn't on. If it was on, it would have the green steady light right on top here. If I recall. Yeah, I see it. So, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. This was a quick little update video done 3 months late, I believe. And I will see you guys for the next one. This is Milton Washington Tech 1999, signing off.